Now I have to think of something to say. Going to our fishing spot for the day. Gonna put in and do a float on the upper big hole. We floated a similar stretch of river yesterday and actually did pretty well. In the morning it was warm, the sun was out. The river was high but not super milky like most other rivers are right now. So we were getting into fish and then thunderstorms rolled in, fishing kind of shut off. There were tons of bugs hatching throughout the day. We saw a bunch of mayflies and caddis, but nothing was really eating them. We tried dries for a little bit, nothing really happened. So honestly, I hate to say it, double worm has been the ticket. And I think it's because the water's been flooding the banks on the river, and obviously worms live in the ground. So now the ground is underwater, and I think these worms are coming out of the ground and into the river. So these fish are definitely eating them really well. So we'll probably continue to fish some worms today. We tried streamers yesterday, and streamers honestly weren't really crushing it. It looks like streamer water, you know, it's a little bit off color and the temperature's right, but the fish just really aren't hitting streamers right now. So we're gonna keep at it with nymphs and just kind of see what happens. We're going way upstream. We're going even higher than we fished yesterday. It's about a 30-minute drive from town just to get up to where we're gonna put in. So we're gonna take our time, figure it out, see what they're eating, and hopefully get a few.
There's one. Whoa. I wonder what he ate. You can see the ramp still.
That's a good sign.
Jeez, spunky. Try and bring his head up. Shit, son. Damn, dude. Damn it.
I can get below you if you want.
Here he comes. There he is. Haha. Nice. Good brownie, dude. Good brownie.
That's a good way to start the day.
Hell yeah, it is. This thing's a fatty, dude. Chill.
Oh, it's just a small one. That's a nice fish. They ate that, your top fly. That's pretty nice.
Pretty solid brownie to start the day right there.
This drop off super defined.
Yeah, it is. There's definitely fish on it. We just found that out. Just gonna try and place my bobber and my flies like in line with each other along the drop off. It's like right there. See where my bobber is? That's like the drop. It's hard to follow the drop off, I'm sure. It's like you can't see it too well.
It does constantly change.
It's constantly changing. Yeah. That's the challenge. If it were easy, it wouldn't be fun. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm wondering if fish have been sitting all up in that grass.
I was wondering that too, dude. Like, I wonder if you toss a streamer up there, you could get one. Like, I don't know. I feel like they would push up there to eat certain things, maybe. There's probably more worms up there coming out of the ground.
Nice.
Little dude. On the wormy. Still spunky little dude. Oh, it's a brookie.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, peace, dude. I'm wondering if I'm not getting down deep enough.
You're picking up grass, though. That one is. I was gonna say.
I guess that was getting down deep enough. It's a grayling! Dude!
Almost got it. Almost got the slam.
Oh, man. Dude, a grayling.
First ever grayling on the fly right here. Pretty fish. Ate the worm.
I was like, I don't know if my flies are getting deep enough, dude.
It's just tough to balance sinking super fast and not getting on the bottom.
Like, I'm sure that's what's happening right now. I keep getting grass all over my flies. If you want to be in the zone, you gotta get in the zone.
Yeah, auto zone.
Exactly. Let's find that auto zone. There's so much good water for like dries, but nothing's rising in it.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought my flies were right where they needed to be too. I was like, yeah, this is it.
Drop off on the side of that grass.
It looked like it. Just dangling, dude.
Get him on the dangle.
Just dangling. Dude, this is sick. There's no one out here. We have all this to ourselves. But there's also not fish eating salmon flies, so
That's true.
at least we'll give that to the Henry's Fork people, but I'm fine with this. It's a brookie.
Another brookie.
Yeah. On the worm. Nice. Brookies. Codfish.